The steppe, a golden treasure. The Kazakh steppe is one of the most extreme environments in the world. This wild, harsh grassland has no natural shelter from the strong winds and bitter cold that come from the north. Temperatures in the winter drop to a freezing -35 degrees. And in the summer it can get as hot as 35 degrees. Despite the difficult climate, the steppe is a treasure of agricultural products and natural resources. In fact, it provides everything from meat, milk, grain and vegetables to raw materials for industry such as coal, zinc and lead. The steppe is also the habitat of a lot of unique species of wildlife, from the steppe pika to the critically endangered saiga antelope. The steppe is the birthplace of Kazakh culture. The people living on the steppe had to face many difficulties throughout the years. They gradually learned to adapt to its environment and temperatures. The difficulties they faced shaped their deep respect for nature. The importance of the steppe to the identity of the Kazakh people continues to inspire them to preserve it for future generations.